Hi unnis, I picked it up K-Army Stew Ramen. It's a weird and funny name, but it's a direct translation of a Korean Budae Jjigae. In Korea, Budae Jjigae is based on ham and pork, but in America, this ramen is based on fish and beans. Boil water, then add include the dry flake and powder, and then add the noodle. After 4 minutes, and voila, done. Dry flakes looks like a spam, but it's not. There's a bean and red peppers just like a Korean style. Wow, you can really smell the beans. Despite there being no meat flavor, the ramen still smells like meat. Interesting. The best thing about this ramen is the noodle. It's really chewy and tender. I like it. This K-Army stew is a successful transformation of the original Korean to the new Western style. If you want to try K-Army stew, this is the one to get. Bye. Thank you for watching.